Imagine you're storing passwords in your database. You know you shouldn't save them in plain text, so you use a hashing function to scramble them. That's a good start. But here's the problem. If two users have the same password, their hashes will look exactly the same. That can make your system vulnerable to attacks. This is where something called Assault comes in, and it's a game changer. So, what is Assault? Think of it like adding a unique secret spice to every password before hashing it. This salt is just some random data that gets combined with the password. Even if two users choose the exact same password, the salt makes sure their hashed passwords are completely different. It's like giving each password its own secret fingerprint. Why does this matter? Because without salt, attackers can use precomputed tables, called rainbow tables, to reverse common password hashes very quickly. Salting your passwords means these tables become useless, and attackers have to work way harder to crack your hashes. Now, how do you use salts properly? First, generate a unique random salt for every password. Don't reuse salts across users or passwords. Then combine the salt with the password before hashing. Finally, store both the salt and the hashed password in your database. When a user logs in, you take the salt, add it to the password they provide, hash it again, and compare it to the stored hash. Modern hashing libraries like BCRYPT and Argon 2 handle salting automatically for you, so it's usually best to use those instead of trying to do it yourself. So to save passwords like a pro, always use a strong hashing algorithm. Always add a unique salt and never store passwords or salts in plain text. If you want me to walk you through implementing this step-by-step in your project, let me know in the comment section or on my Discord channel, link in the description. Until then, keep your passwords safe and salted.